Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy.
Hello my fellow fairies, welcome to my wonderland. Whether you are new or a regular, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I will be doing a very exciting video. As you can see, I'm very obsessed with magazines, editorial fashion, and just fashion in general. So I thought to myself, why not participate and do the Vogue challenge? So that's what I will be doing today, the Vogue challenge at home. I will be doing the YouTube edition since I do not have TikTok. So that means I'll be taking you guys behind the scenes of me styling, my fits, scouting locations around my home, and me actually taking the self-portraits myself and editing it myself too. Yes, I will be doing everything myself. It will take hours and this will be a very long day for me today, but I will enjoy every second of it because I really enjoy doing stuff like this. I love being behind the camera and on camera as well. So I don't want to waste any more of you guys' time. So thank you guys so much for choosing to spend some quality time with me. So let's get right into the video. So now I have my outfit picked out. This is the outfit that will be on my Vogue cover. Let me run you through the styling process. So this is a very edgy streetwear type of look. I think that's the aesthetic I would give it. Very edgy streetwear. So we have the faux leather jacket that I thrifted, and underneath it, underlayer will be a green turtleneck. We have these velvet pants that I had made. These are so cute. They're very wide leg at the bottom but kind of tight around the butt area. Very cute. Then I will be pairing them with these faux leather boots to tie in with the jackets. Very cute, be cute. And then we have our accessories, which are layered jewelry. I have just a whole bunch of stacked layered jewelry. Love accessories if you haven't figured that out already. Then we have our rings. I might wear my glasses to find shades to put these little shade accessories on them. Very cute. And also I have this little vintage phone little purse situation here. Very cute. So I wanted a simple look. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. And it's not that I don't have any clothes in my wardrobe and I just had to pick what I can out, because that is the case. I do not have much clothes in my wardrobe. It's crazy how I'm a fashion designer and a stylist, but I literally have no clothes. It's ridiculous. I definitely need to go thrifting once all this virus is over. But this is the outfit that I will be wearing for my challenge. As far as my hair and makeup, I want to slick my hair down with some type of gel, and I might want to do like a smoky eye look to tie in the more edgy side of the look. So I think that's what I'm going to do, but we'll see. So now that we have our outfit picked out, we will now be going outside in my backyard to scout location to see where I can even shoot these pictures at. So let's go. Okay guys, so I found the place that I will be shooting my pictures. This is the tent that I have in my backyard. So I thought to myself, why don't I just make my own backdrop? So I will be putting a sheet, a big white or ivory sheet right here using some pins, and I'm gonna use that for my backdrop to shoot my pictures. So let's go ahead and put up the backdrop. Time lapse starts now. Alright, we are done. This will be my backdrop. It doesn't have to be perfect because the tent isn't going to show. Only the white curtain is going to show, so it's going to be fine. So what I'm filming with is my filming setup. Right here I have a tripod on the camera, and I'm going to be using my Bluetooth little clicker for the camera so I can take my pictures from afar. and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you the clicker when I come back outside. So that's going to be my self-portrait camera setup. When I do take the pictures, I'm going to be turning the camera sideways so it can be in portrait mode. So my camera is going to die, so I will be coming back to you guys when I charge my camera. I am literally so exhausted, tired, hot. Like, I'm so surprised I did not pass out from a heat stroke, guys. I am finally done. Hopefully I got some decent pictures. I think I got at least a couple. I took like freaking 1,000, but I just hope at least I got a good one that's worthy of the Vogue front cover. So I'm really tired, guys. I'm about to go inside, take up all my clothes, just sit in front of the fan naked. Yes, naked. Then next we will be choosing which photos we like and edit those. So on to the next step. I love this look though, guys. Like, I felt like a boss bitch in this, to be honest. I want to dress like this every day, like with the little boots, with the pants, with the leather jacket. It was a look. I'm so excited how the look came out. So these are all the photos that were at least a little bit worthy to make it from my camera to my phone. After much time and thought, I finally picked out my final 4. I could not put it down to 1, so I just chose to do 4. I'm not going to edit these photos by using the app PixArt. This is where I'm going to be putting the Vogue title onto my cover. So as you can see, I am clicking the hashtag magazine, and it gives you like a whole bunch of different Vogue fonts and different displays. So I just went through the list, but then discovered that I just wanted something simple, black and basic for my magazine cover. So that's exactly what I end up choosing. I am now sizing where I want to place the Vogue letters. I didn't want it too much on my head, so I was just trying to figure out exactly where I wanted it. And I also looked back to Vogue magazines to kind of see, you know, how high they had their Vogue wording at. So I end up figuring it out. Now I'm going to zoom in closer so I can take off the little bit of letter that's on my head, because I didn't want it to be on my head, so it can kind of look like it's behind me in a sense. I am now finished with the first one. I love it so much. This is so cute to me. I'm really excited. But so now that I'm finished with the first one, I'm going to go ahead and save this one to my photos, and I'll go ahead and start on the next one. These are my final 4 Vogue covers. I'm obsessed with how they came out. I think my favorite is either the top left or the bottom right, but let me know down below which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and spending time with me, and until next time, bye guys.